not focusing. Okay, hello. Today is Rachel's first day at the river safari. Are you excited? She never respond, guys. Let's go. Oh, the fish is dead. It's a bird. Yes. You look at his face.
I don't know.
Yeah, where the eyes are? Is he blind? She was freaking out when the fish started to swim towards her. Huh? Huh? Wow, pretty. This fish looks upside down, guys. If you see, it will flip. It flips. It looks normal. Hey guys, what's up? It looks like twigs. Backstroke. So cute. It's pooping.
He's down there. See? Okay. You come nearer to me.
His blood is so dirty. Favorite snake insect, yeah. So funny. Enjoying life, eh? So cute. Enjoying life. Yeah. We are watching the show. We queued from 1:30 to now it's 1:50. Just for this show because the max capacity right now is 50 people.
Why not? Let's do some training session over here with some of the animals. Now joining us on stage and they're very eager today, this is Obi. Okay, one is Obi. Obi over here. Oh, sorry, Jaja, they look quite similar sometimes. Okay, now this is Jaja. Okay, one is Jaja over here. He is actually a great white pelican. Now, great white pelicans, they can be found in Central South Africa. In fact, these animals, they are known to be rather migrating. Okay? Carol. Okay?
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Nicely done, Jaja.
Help me. Help me. I'm frozen.
Get away from a predator, they actually might jump down from a tree into the water below. We say hello. Very nice and polite hello from Louis as well. Louis, come here and show off your beautiful red feather tail with style. Very nice. One more time and one last time. Very nice, Louis. So, Louis, let's say thank you. Very nice, Louis, and let's all say bye-bye, Louis. Very nice, Louis. Let's give it up to Louis, our African gray bear. As endangered species because of illegal pet trades and also habitat loss. And they can live up to 60 to 70 years in captivity. Okay, does this belong to anyone? You sure? I hope not, okay, because right, this plastic ball. Okay, are you all sure this doesn't belong to anyone? I hope not, otherwise everyone's laughing. Right? Hey! How many more? I'm going to wait here for one more. Any more? No. Go home already. Okay. Welcome, Tucker, the ancient small clawed otter. And take it over here. Step down, take the board. Let's show them how you swim. That is right, Tucker right here is showing off his agility in the water. And they got these small claws, which allow them to trip beyond their partially webbed feet. And of course, I feel that Tucker right here found it that in India, the fishermen actually use the all crab, put the basket just like that, which makes fishing easier for men. Am I right, Tucker? Come on, Tucker. Leave your crab inside the ball. Basket, okay? And then come on, okay? Come on, Tucker. You can do this. Nice, Tucker. Okay, come, get it, get it. Oh, sorry, I had you short hands, right? Good, Glenn. Come on, Tucker. Nice. Right behind you is Sam, everyone. The Oriental Pied Hornbill. Wow, alright. So, getting a closer look at Sam, he's got really long, sexy eyelashes. Now that's right, however, the long eyelashes of the hornbill folks are used to protect its delicate eyeballs as they fly from tree to tree. 1, 2, and 3. Whoa, what a great catch by Sam, folks. Let's give it up to Sam, our Oriental Pied. This is Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Wow, I've heard a lot of things about these animals. They are very cool because they are the only species of rodent which is able to break open a Brazilian nut. We human beings have these various kind of tools to break it open. And also folks, they've got a very good sense of hearing, so they can actually hear a nut or a seed drop onto the forest ground from miles away. And last but not least, okay, they are very greedy. They like to gather lots of nuts and seeds and they cannot finish them. And when they cannot finish the extra knives and sticks, what happens is they bury it and forget where they bury them. Alright, when they forget, a new tree will grow from the Amazon rainforest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's throw our hands together and welcome Mo and Pina, our capybara brothers.
So cute.
Alright, Pina taking his own sweet time, but they are named the master of grasses because of their two long sharp teeth, which helps them to really help us dive right into the water. As you can see, working with Pina today is capybara trainer Fiona, folks. Having been working with these animals for 5 years. In fact, Mo and Pina were born right here at the river safari. And Peanut is actually the larger of the two brothers. He weighs in at about 60 kilos compared to Mo's 50. And so with a nice splash right into the pool, here he comes up close. And you can see he stands at almost over a meter tall. Alright, enough talking, Peanut. How about we show everyone how you swim? As you can see, folks paddling with his semi-webbed feet, Peanut dives, but also mostly keeps the top of his head up above the water surface, as Alan mentioned earlier. Now, today is quite a hot day, right, Peanut? So, do you want to show everyone one more lap? We'll have another swimming session here to take some photographs of our adorable capybara getting out of the pool today.